Hello everyone and welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim, and today guys I am giving you an up close look as well as what fits in my bag of this beautiful Coach Etta flap bag and signature chenille guys. So yes, look at this bag. This is one of my newer bags. If you know, this is a Coach outlet bag that dropped recently. I actually got this on the second drop of it because guys, I saw this bag on the drop date and I've talked about it before on my unboxing, but I did not think it was going to be as popular as it was. I was like, okay, I'll check out later. Come back guys, it is gone. Okay, so and then if you know, Coach put up the price as well. Yes, I know I did pay the newer price. I hate that, but guys, I just had to have this bag and I'm so happy with it guys. So yes, let's begin. Let me give you that up close look in case you are interested in it, because it is going to continue to come back. Currently on the website it does say join the wait list, so I know it's going to come back. If you want the smaller one, I don't have that one, but I do see it come in stock all the time guys. So yes, let me begin by giving you a 360 of the bag. Okay, and guys, this bag is gorgeous. It is so soft. The feel, the carpety feel is beautiful. So this is the front. This is the flap opening. The side. It does have a buckle strap, so I'll show you guys that more in a bit. This is the other side. And this is the side where it does have like a little hook for your charms. It does come with a tag. It says Coach. Nothing on the back. And it also has this thing that, once again, I still don't know what it is, but I'm guessing it's for your keys, maybe like a key ring, you know. Look at that. It is removable if you don't like it, but I think it gives it a nice look, so I left that on. This is the back. It does have that back zipper pocket. Very spacious. This is the bottom. Beautiful guys, beautiful. This is so soft. And this is the top. So the strap is removable, as you guys can see here. It is like a buckle style strap. It does have 3 holes to adjust the sizing to your liking. I do have it at the longest size on both ends. So that's the outside of it. And I do have a bit of stuff in here just to give you guys a better look of it, you know, because it is very slouchy. Okay, I love that. That was one of the things that was attracting me to this bag. So let me give you guys a little bit of the info on the website. Okay, so measurements, it does say length 11.5, height 8.0, and width 4.5 inches. Okay, materials, it does say signature chenille and smooth leather fabric lining, adjustable handle with 9.25 inch drop. Beautiful guys. So let's look inside now. It does have the beautiful Coach logo right there, and it is a push lock opening, so you guys can see that opens very nicely. Guys, let me tell you, this is beautiful soft like suede material. I love that. And it does flap all the way back guys. Look at that, beautiful. The only thing stopping it here is the strap. Like I said, I did stuff her a little bit. Let me show you guys how it looks without anything inside. Okay, so look at that. You can see the slouchiness at the bottom. When you carry it like this, it slouches more. Look at that. Oh my god, I just love the slouchiness of this bag. So now look at the interior. Look at all that space, guys. This bag is so spacious. It does have that Coach tag right there and an interior zipper pocket. So this interior of the pocket is not the same as this, okay? It is not soft. It's just like regular fabric, I guess you can say. So yeah, this bag is beautiful, guys. Love, love, love. So now let me give you guys an idea of what fits in this bag. Obviously, guys, she is so spacious. She is huge, so you can fit a lot here, but let me give you guys an idea, okay? So to begin, first thing I would put in here would be my Louis Vuitton 𝓵𝓬𝓰 medium pouch, okay? So I don't have many Coach like accessories. I'm just getting into Coach, so I'm just using my LV ones, guys. I love this one. I'm gonna use this one as a pouch to keep my stuff organized in here because she is one whole space, you know. I don't want everything like floating everywhere, so just to keep it a little bit organized. So in this one I do have my microphones for recording. Always gotta be ready, you know. So I would say these are equivalent to like maybe you having earphones, you know. So yeah, about the same size. I also have a picture of my abuelita. I love to take her wherever I can if she does fit. You know, just keep her with me. I also have a phone stand, a very thin phone stand. I love this one. Helps a lot for recording on the go. This is 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 brand. Look at that, super thin. So I'm gonna keep this together just so if you know I have to record something quickly, I'm ready to go. You know, I just take out this pouch, everything's right there. So this is the first thing. I'm just gonna put it there all the way in the back. Next thing would be my LV mini pochette. I love this one, guys. This is the one I painted. Remember, if you saw that video. Love this one. And guys, these are actually more spacious than you would think. There's so much stuff in here. This is like my like little junk pouch, I would say, because it has everything. I have lotion in here. I have toothpicks. I have wipes. I have my allergy pill because I need this for this season all the time. It's a must, you know. I have bandages. I have some lip balm. I have some makeup. I don't wear a lot of makeup, guys, but this is like my eyebrow pencils and my eyeliner. That's basically all I need. And more band-aids. And some tissues. Gotta have these for when it's starting to get colder, you know. So yeah, I have so many things in this little pouch. It helps a lot, and it's gonna help everything stay more organized in the bag. This is like my little pouch that I throw in everything. This is like my must-have pouch for like when I go to theme parks and stuff. This is all my stuff, guys. I love this little pochette. Oh my god, it has helped way more than I thought it would. So I love this one. Keep everything organized. So that's how it's looking so far. Next, I would have my wallet. So I just switched into this one, guys. This is an essential wallet. I love this one, guys. Look how beautiful and sparkly she is. Love, love, love. She has so many compartments. Actually did a video unboxing this one. I wish she had crystals here, but that's fine, guys. She is so gorgeous. Look at this. I'll put it in here. Look at that. Coach, you need to come out with more crystal stuff, pouches. Give us the whole thing, okay? Next, I would have my beautiful Jack mirror. I love this one, guys. I actually bedazzled it myself. Look at this. And it does have a charger because it does light up. Look at this. My niece was playing with it right now, so it has like fingerprints everywhere, but beautiful, beautiful. I love this mirror. Check. I'm gonna put it in there. Next, my ugly old phone charger, guys, but it is a must, you know. Have to have the phone fully charged. We're ready to record anywhere. So yeah, I need a new one. I know I always say I need a new one, but I really do need a new one. In there, my hand sanitizer. This is my 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 that I'm finally almost done, guys. I want to do a video refilling it, seeing how that goes, guys. Almost done. Beautiful. I love this one. Gorgeous. And some glasses. My Bumblebee glasses. I don't have super expensive brand glasses, guys. I just buy these $5 ones at the swap meet, guys. Works perfect, guys. I love them. I don't buy like brand ones, even though I would love some, because I don't take care of my glasses, to be honest with you guys. I don't. They'll end up scratched up. I just throw them everywhere, guys. So I don't mind having these that work just as fine, you know, and that it doesn't hurt me, you know, hurt me or my pocket. So I got my glasses. And last but not least, I have some candy, some See's candy. These are chocolate. Yes, chocolate. And then I have some mini Mentos gum. Look at that, so cute. And a hair tie. Gotta have a hair tie, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the pocket inside right here, just to keep it from going everywhere. There you go. So yeah, guys, look at this. Keep it more organized, you know. Look at all this space that I still have. So much space. Look at that. I love this bag, guys. Let me tell you. Love. I love the slouchiness. She is just beautiful, guys. Look at this. I'm not putting nothing in the back pocket. Eventually I will, probably some receipts, stuff like that. But guys, look at this. Beautiful. And I still have so much space. Look at this. So much more space to fill her up with. Just like I said, to give you guys an idea of what could fit in here, okay? And of course I have to add a charm. So I got my bedazzled cherries, guys. These go perfect on any bag, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Like I said, she does have a little hook right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it like that. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Look at that. I love how the cherries just hang off the bag so beautifully. Beautiful. I love this bag, guys. So let me know what you think. What do you guys think about this bag? Did you get it? Are you thinking about getting it? Because like I said, it does say join the wait list on the website, guys. I love her. I'm so happy I got a good one, because I did see a lot of people were saying that it was coming out bad. And I was just a little scared, I'm not gonna lie, to get it. But I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy I did get it. I wish Coach had not put up the price, but okay, you know. But yeah, that's just everything right now, guys. Prices are everywhere for everything. So I love this bag, guys. I'm so happy with it. Let me know what you guys think about this up close look of what fits inside, what's in my bag. Let me know. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment down below. Subscribe and like this video if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Go ahead and hype it up for me. Thank you in advance. I really do appreciate all the love and support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.